How to find your Wells Fargo accounting and routing numbers. So it's actually super simple. You want to go to Google and search for this, find Wells Fargo routing number. And the first website should be the official one saying routing numbers and account numbers. We want to click on it. Now, right here, it will ask us whether we're looking for a routing number or account number. So I'm going to do routing number for this tutorial. Then it will ask us whether we'll be using this information to receive a wire transfer. So just answer accordingly. And then after that, it's going to ask you whether where the source of income is going. So outside the US or inside the US, and if you select inside the US, and it will give you directly your routing number. If you click on outside the US, it will give you a SWIFT code. So that is from the official Wells Fargo website. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.